Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Cassie, and this is Academic Problem Solving Practical Applications.
Every student at some point encounters academic problems. Recognizing academic problems and knowing how to respond is an important milestone or step in your journey towards independence and learner autonomy.
So, how do we define a problem? And why are they challenging?
A problem can be defined as a subject or issue that can cause a person trouble, stress, or difficulty.
Students want to achieve high grades and are often under pressure to perform well. If a problem should arise, they often lose focus and are unable to think clearly as to how to locate a solution that will lessen or even solve that problem.
One of the reasons autonomy or independence is valued in both education and business environments is because an independent learner is aware of and knows how to find solutions to his or her problems.
Here are some examples of typical academic problems. Lack of clarity and/or understanding. A lack of focus. Poor organization and poor time management, or feeling overwhelmed. Illness. Stress. Being unable to locate or access resources. And IT or printer issues.
Having identified typical problems encountered by students, let's consider how we might meet these challenges and solve our problems.
To help resolve an academic problem, this practical 6-step academic problem-solving strategy can always be employed.
Step 1. Identify, determine, recognize the cause of your problem.
Step 2. Assess or evaluate the severity of the problem. If left unresolved, predict possible outcomes.
Step 3. Formulate or consider possible solutions.
Step 4. Determine positive and negative, or pros and cons, but also assess or evaluate any risks involved.
Step 5. Choose and action a solution.
And finally, Step 6. Make or allocate time to action any solutions.
If you feel overwhelmed and anxious, there are a number of additional strategies to consider.
Take a break or time out and remove yourself from any problematic environments. This will enable you to think clearly.
Brainstorm or mind map. Use your imagination to think clearly and to identify creative solutions.
Organize yourself. Prepare lists. Highlight what needs to be done and how you might do it.
Gather facts. Recognize resources and or locations that might carry resources to help solve any problems. For example, most language-related queries can be addressed in the Language Resources Centre.
Look at your problems from a different perspective.
Consider multiple perspectives. Share your problems by involving others, tutors, classmates, family and or friends.
Actively seek opportunities. For example, the independent learning drop-in clinics or the independent learning support sessions.
Reflect on previous problems. What did you do? What was the outcome? Learn from positive and negative experiences.
An independent learner has taken ownership of their education and ultimately their future. They have identified their learning needs and have established academic goals. They fully understand the need to be responsible.
When problems arise, they do not panic or avoid the cause. They adopt a proactive approach and actively seek practical solutions to resolve that problem.